Whoa, she has got some super long hair. The stylist adds the ponytails here and begins to cut. Not only is her hair long, but it's like really thick and wavy. Stylist goes in and adds some layers. Looks like he's doing a layered bob cut for this one. Oh wow, gorgeous. And then here we have someone, she got some pretty long hair as well. The stylist just chops that hair off into a bob. Your hair grows too fast, so you weren't scared to make the chop. So it looks like she's getting a bob haircut. I feel like sometimes though when you cut your hair and you go short, like there's no return. Like you're not going back to long hair in some cases. So the stylist did a really cute bob. She wanted to go shorter. Oh, love the blunt cut. And then we have a mini bob and cut transformation. Such a cute style. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.